Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you the most delicious beef jollof recipe. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got my beef over here. It's been washed and I cut them into pieces. I'll come in with some black pepper, some ginger, curry, onion powder, garlic powder, some dark soy sauce, and with my hands and mix everything up. I'll set it aside to rest for about 30 minutes. Now I'll put a pan on fire and come in with some oil. When the oil is hot enough, I'll come in with my seasoned meat. I'll fry this for about 10 minutes. So they are ready, so I'll just go ahead and get them out of the oil. Using the same oil, I'll drop in my blended onions and garlic. Let this cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes. After which, I'll come in with a ladle full of concentrated tomatoes. I'll also add some fresh blended tomatoes. I'll add some seasoning, some dark soy sauce, curry powder, some salt to taste. Come in with about half a cup of water. I'll leave it alone to cook on medium flame for about 20 minutes. As you can see, there's a lot of oil on the surface, so I'll just come in with my ladle and get rid of it. Next, I'll come in with my fried beef. I'll come in with my basmati rice. Here, I've washed it up and I use about 1.5 cups. I'll give it a good stir and come in with about half a cup of water. Stir it up and let it cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'll give it another stir and come in with about a quarter cup of water. Give it a good mix and cover it up again for about 10 more minutes. And after about 10 minutes, and we're almost there, I'll go ahead, give it a mix. This time I wouldn't come in with some water. I'll just cover it up with an aluminium foil and leave it alone to cook for about 10 more minutes. It's almost ready. Now I'll come in with some chopped sweet peppers, some carrots, sweet corn, Give us a final mix, then cover it up again and let it cook for about 5 more minutes. So it's been after about 5 minutes and it is ready. As you can see, it looks so yummy. You definitely need to give this recipe a try. I hope I helped you and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.